The MacBook Pro appeals to people who want the most powerful Mac notebook so they can change the world. Well, today is the day that they've been waiting for, because today we're completely reimagining MacBook Pro. And it starts with the first Pro chip designed for the Mac. This is M1 Pro, the next chip in the M1 family, and it's a game changer. Now let's hand it over to Johnny for a deep dive into this remarkable new chip.
The transition to Apple Silicon is all about bringing its incredible performance, custom technologies, and relentless focus on power efficiency to the Mac. And M1 has done exactly that. Not only has it transformed our most popular systems, it has shocked the PC world. M1 has been amazing for so many of our customers. However, there are some poor users who need even more. And we wanted to build something great just for them. That is what M1 Pro is all about. It's our next breakthrough chip for the Mac. Now, building a Pro laptop has meant using a power-hungry CPU and discrete GPU. But a two-chip architecture requires much more power and cooling. It also means the CPU and GPU have separate pools of memory, so they have to copy data back and forth over a slower interface. No one has ever applied a system-on-a-chip design to a Pro system until today. And we did this by scaling up M1's groundbreaking architecture to create a far more powerful chip with M1 Pro. We started by re-architecting the chip fabric to enable the SoC to scale, while doubling the width of the memory interface and using faster DRAM. This lets M1 Pro deliver up to 200 gigabytes per second of memory bandwidth, nearly 3 times M1. And its custom package supports up to 32 gigabytes of unified memory. The M1 Pro die is built using the industry-leading 5nm process technology and features a massive 33.7 billion transistors. That's more than twice M1. All those transistors deliver even more performance, starting with a 10-core CPU, with 8 high-performance cores and 2 high-efficiency cores, delivering up to 70% faster CPU performance than M1. For graphics, M1 Pro features 16 GPU cores, 8 more than M1. These additional cores, along with increased memory bandwidth, give M1 Pro up to 2 times faster graphics performance than M1. M1 Pro has our industry-leading media engine that accelerates video processing while using very little power. And now it pushes even further with ProRes. It's one of the highest quality codecs in professional video production. Adding ProRes acceleration enables M1 Pro to play multiple streams of 4K and 8K ProRes video while using just a fraction of the power. It's another key advantage of building our own silicon. And finally, M1 Pro includes other advanced technologies for a complete Pro system, like a powerful engine to drive multiple displays, and additional Thunderbolt controllers to deliver even more I/O bandwidth, and so much more. So that's M1 Pro. Building on the M1 architecture, M1 Pro takes the amazing performance of Apple Silicon to a whole new level.